Pride, trying to finish strong for Pride's sake.
61. He probably about to quit. He paused again. 51, 61.
That he is.
That's his second personal foul.
The Clippers have gone 6 of 11 since the start of the fourth quarter. From D. Phillips, and it's rejected. And it's out of bounds to the Clippers as the Clippers retain possession. Paul with the ball. No good. So the Clippers winning this.